So you want to grow your business with paid ads, but agencies, they cost a lot of money, like a ton of money. Well, what if I told you there was another way? If you have a small budget, this ad is for you. If you don't want a marketing agency to run your ads and you want to get your own hands dirty and figure all of this stuff out, then this ad is for you. And if you're sick and tired of your current situation and you just feel like you got so much more to give, you just need more clients and more quality leads, then this ad is definitely for you. My name is Devon Thomas, and what I do is I teach entrepreneurs from all over the world how to basically set up their Google ads to generate leads for their business and do it in a cost-effective way. And I show them how to do it without a marketing agency and on a small budget as well. And here's the thing, you don't have to be a computer geek to get all of this stuff. Anyone really using these techniques can learn how to run Google ads fairly quickly. Now, if you want to learn more, what I suggest you do is click on the button on your screen. It's on your screen somewhere. And what you'll do is you'll go through to a page where you can sign up for my live workshop where I am going to teach you all the fundamentals you need to know to get started. So find that button on the screen and join me at my live workshop. So you're probably wondering what this process includes. Well, the first thing that we do is we'll show you how to craft an irresistible offer for your client. The second thing we'll do is we'll teach you why some websites convert really well and others don't at all. The next thing we'll do is show you how to set up your ad so that it produces high intent but low cost customers. Because the last thing you want to do is run an ad and have the ad be so expensive that it's not even worth the value of the customer that you're getting from the ad. So we'll show you how to do that. And the last thing we're going to do is show you how to set up this whole system so that it's automated and you don't have to spend time babysitting it. You can actually spend time in your business where your attention is needed most. Now, if you want to hear from somebody who's already following the system, this is one of my students.
Devon's course gave me a game plan to make my ad campaigns consistently profitable. Devon's course offers tremendous value with regards to not only the video content, but his coaching calls and the Facebook community. As a marketing, communications, and public relations professional, I highly recommend the Neptune Profitable PPC course.
So my friends, the ball is in your court now. I promise you this, I can't make you filthy rich, but what I can do is I can definitely improve your ad situation and help you grow your business. So what I want you to do is click on the button on the screen and I will see you there. Peace.